Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 12:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, October 30th. Tomorrow is Halloween. Excited about that. And we have a sell-off this morning after a bit of a gap down and then a tiny little low volume gap fill in SPY. Regular market hours, that gap filled as well. If I remove some of that pre and post market data, we can do that right now. Get back to the SPY, and then we'll take a look at the TRIN in a moment. And so here is the gap down, filled, and then selling off right now back to this gap from yesterday morning. So perfect little test also of the complete gap fill. And so that's 100% retracement almost of the run-up we had yesterday. With that in mind, of course, we saw that consumer sentiment slipped in October, and also consumer spending fell 0.5% in September. Saw the good news yesterday about the third quarter growing for the first time in a year is now being kind of beaten up, and that on top of all this volume in the sell-off versus the volume on the run-up like we talked about yesterday kind of lends susceptibility to a lower swing high, which is, if we close right now, what we would be getting on this Friday. So let's take a look and see what kind of confirming or disproving factors we have. With the TRIN, we are running up into an area of resistance right now with this gap down from a few days ago, but it is at 2.0, and that's twice as much volume flowing into stocks on the decline now. The TRIN Q is also 2.02. Now that is also extremely bearish and not overly bearish, so there's confirming volume for both of them, and the VIX is rising back up, doing a perfect gap fill, much like the broad market, into this area. So round number of 27 back in there. The bank, one more nice little market internal, is also falling out of bed, didn't even fill its gap, so showing some weakness and pretty powerful. So watch carefully again how the spiders are reacting to any kind of run-up in price, especially lately. And 1, 2, 3 volume prints, and we'll watch how it takes apart this gap at the round number of 105. Good stuff, everybody. Look forward to D7's video at the close, and I'll be working on the V newsletter this weekend, so stay tuned.